One. It's me, Banana Queen, soon to be Mango Stove. Oh, sorry. And today we are having a chicken dinner, and I just want to shout out a person. I'm shouting out my cousin Bree. Thank you for watching. So, once I get my underwater phone case, then I will shoot underwater Musical.lys, and my Musical.ly that is in the description down below, and I'll be doing underwater YouTube videos, like underwater gymnastics challenge and stuff like that. So, I just wanted to get something straight here. If you are hating on me, I will report you to YouTube. Yes, just wanted to get that straight, all you haters. 10 people. 10 people that I'm talking to right now. Yes. Your comment will be reported. I will be contacting YouTube. And I know one of the creators of YouTube. Actually, one of the creators of YouTube, my cousin's cousin knows the creator of YouTube. And he will contact you. Just wanted to get that straight. I'm just not trying to hate on anyone. Just wanted to get that straight for a minute. And back to the video. So, yes, we haven't had a full meal. Like, we've only had like a few meals, but we haven't had like a really full meal. Oh my god. I just realized it looks like I have like millions of freckles on my face. I barely have any freckles. Oh my god. Probably because I've been in the sun too long. Okay. So, yes, and I am not wearing my glasses. We will be going swimming today. I might record it. And I am watching Andy Mack. And yes, I am under the age of 15. Yeah, just a random fact there. I will be back in a minute. Hi everyone. It might be a little bit darker lighting because I'm in the bathroom right now. Because I am going to brush my teeth. Yes I am. Because I just ate a lot of dark chocolate and now my teeth look yellow, literally. Guys, can you see? Yeah, they look yellow on camera. In real life, they're like a white color. Kind of white, not really, because I just ate a lot of brown food, including the chicken, which I'm about to eat. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick thing. I'm not gonna go all out in toothbrushing. I'm just gonna do like the sides that I ate the chocolate on, because I only ate the chocolate on one side, because I have a wiggling tooth. It's my last baby tooth, actually, which is pretty exciting. So I'm just going to brush my teeth real quick. It might be in fast mode, it might not. You guys can't really see me now, because I'm squatting on the floor. There we go. Yeah, I'm just gonna pause. See you later. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. Hey guys, I just got done brushing my teeth. I'm trying to put the cap back on. My teeth look slightly whiter than they were. Yes. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so I just wanted to tell you some stuff that we got for our pool that you'll be seeing in the video. Maybe not. So we got this ride-on thing that you attach a noodle to and it makes it float. It didn't really work. So yeah, and we got this ride-on like fish, I should say. But the white part of the fish was supposed to be the pink part of the fish was supposed to be white. But no, it's pink. And we got a noodle. Not the one that's in the chair. We got two noodles. One's in the chair, one's not. And we got this lay-on thing, like this bed that you can lay on. The pool's not really like that, like a humongous pool or like a really tall pool. It goes up to like my waist, but I usually like sit in it and stuff. So yeah, it's really wide. It's like my room and the living room combined. Yeah, and my room's not that big and the living room's not that big, but together they're huge. So yeah. We also got this pool tube. It's green. So yeah. Yeah. Yes, I would.
Mind your business.
Oh.
For 2 whole months. That's plenty of time to save up. That's why I'm going to enjoy wearing this whenever my mom's not around. Leah! She's around. Good. What kind of homework? Criminal science. She's undercover. And I'm leaving the scene of the crime. Not that there was a crime. Bye.
Leah, listen, I have been thinking about that money you want to spend on the jacket that you've been eyeing.
Yeah.
And how about this? On Monday, we take all of your money and put it in the bank. Right? So you and Booker can learn how to be responsible with your money. Exciting!
Really? Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna get back to my criminal science homework.
Okay. You know what I think, Nia? I think you're guilty.
I am?
Yeah. Of being a good daughter.
Thanks, Mom. Bye, Mom.
I'm so bad. But I look so good.
No! Guess who's walking up the driveway?
You probably saw the really cool stuff being lifted past your window.
How could we miss it? One of those boxes said, "Hey, Booker and Levi, look at all the really cool stuff being lifted past your window."
Did it? Of course it did. Well, you want to come up and check it out?
I may be able to work that into my schedule. What are you doing? I'm pronouncing schedule in a really cool way. Okay, first of all, you're not. And secondly, I'm talking about Mitch. Every time we trust this guy, it turns out we can't trust this guy. But he's got a 2-sided game table. I don't even have one side. Sorry, Mitch. No can do.
What? It doesn't fit into your schedule. Whatever, losers. But you're gonna regret it.
You did the right thing, Booker. I don't think I did. I just had a vision. I saw me as a doll. Mitch is gonna do some kind of witchcraft on me. Mitch said we were gonna regret not playing with him. Now he's gonna do some doll hocus pocus on me. Booker, I'm sure there's another explanation for your vision. Then why did something just poke me? What could have poke you? How about the needle Mitch is poking into that little Booker doll? This is how it starts, Levi. A little poke. Next thing you know, there are snakes in my locker. I've got more tuna fish for lunch. Get a hold of yourself, man. You're right. Here you go, Booker. You forgot your lunch. This tuna fish. Something in it. Yeah. It's happening, Levi. It's happening. Check it out.
Everybody's noticing the jacket. I'm gonna give them a little taste of what they want, but I'm not gonna make it look planned.
Hey guys, check out Mia's jacket.
Well, you work it. That didn't look planned at all.
Wow, Mia, great jacket. You really know your fashion.
Wait, how'd you get that so fast? It just popped up on LitFits? Well, Xena, real trendsetters have LitFits Premium. Premium?
I'd do anything to wear that.
Would you give us a second, please? Tess, Sienna said she'd do anything to wear this. I get it. Rude, she's gonna steal it. Hurry, zip it up before she grabs it. I'm thinking I could rent it to her.